But it doesn't stop at portraits. Check out this high-speed FPV shot. Usually AI struggles with fast camera movements, turning everything into a glitchy mess. Here, the apocalyptic city stays perfectly consistent. And what about complex choreography? Generating multiple characters fighting with swords in the rain is usually an absolute nightmare for AI. Yet look at the details in this sequence. Pure cinematic quality. You're probably wondering how I generated all of this without waiting in endless queues or spending a fortune on credits. The secret is today's sponsor, LitMedia.ai. Right now, the AI video space is a complete mess. You need a $20 subscription for one tool, $15 for another, and you just end up juggling between 5 different websites. It's exhausting and expensive. LitMedia fixes this by putting the world's best models like Seedance 2.0, Kling 3.0, and Veo 3.1 Pro all in one single dashboard. But here is the absolute game changer. They offer a lifetime plan. You pay once and you get VIP access forever. No more monthly fees. Let me jump into my screen and show you exactly how I use it. All right. Let's take a look at the actual platform. When you go to LitMedia and log in, this is the main dashboard you get. It's pretty straightforward. The main reason I'm using it is simply because everything is grouped together. You don't have to open multiple tabs or pay for different services just to test out different AI models. You can see on the menu that they have different sections for image generation, video generation, and a few other specific tools. Let's scroll through the interface. For those of you doing faceless content, they also included features like face swap, AI avatars, lip sync, and an AI music generator. It's a nice addition if you want to keep your workflow inside one single platform. But for this video, I want to focus on the core video generation models, specifically Seedance 2.0. So I'm going to open it right now and we'll look at the exact prompt and settings I used to get that Dr. Doom sequence to work despite the restrictions. Typing Dr. Doom directly gets blocked by the copyright filter. So here's the workaround. I used LitMedia's image-to-video tool and uploaded a reference picture. In the prompt, I avoided his name completely. I just typed a dark armored ruler and used the @image1foot tag to link the picture. The AI bypasses the filter instantly. But the real secret to this cinematic flow is the timestamps. I didn't like one basic prompt. I broke the 10 seconds down, 0 to 3 seconds for a slow dolly in, 3 to 6 for a push in, and 6 to 10 for the glowing magic. Running this on Seedance 2.0 fast gave me this insane result. Now, what about that crazy FPV drone shot? For this one, we don't even need a reference image. We are going straight into the text-to-video tab. But before I show you my settings, take a quick look at this model drop-down list. They have literally integrated Sora 2, and it's completely free to use on the platform right now, which is just insane. We won't test it today, but it's there. For my FPV shot, I actually used their proprietary model, Litia.ai 5.5. To get this level of dynamic motion without the AI glitching out, the prompt is everything. I didn't just type a flying drone. As you can see, I used very specific camera terminology. I wrote FPV military drone tracking shot, added a medium-wide field of view, and specifically asked for dynamic motion blur and immersive camera shake. By feeding the model these exact camera physics, it renders the speed and the apocalyptic environment perfectly. Now, let's move away from environments and look at character animation. LitMedia has a specific feature called Mimic, which is absolutely perfect for TikTok or YouTube Shorts. The concept is simple, but very powerful. You just upload a static photo of a character, like this girl right here, and then you select a reference video of someone dancing or moving. Once you hit generate, the AI maps the exact movements from the video directly onto your static photo. Take a look at this result right here. Notice how the motion tracking is surprisingly smooth. Usually with this kind of tool, the clothes start glitching or the face completely distorts during fast movements. But here, the character design and the outfit stay consistent throughout the entire dance sequence. If you're looking to create viral TikToks or Instagram Reels without ever stepping in front of a camera yourself, having a tool like this built in is basically a cheat code. Let me show you another feature that is blowing up right now, especially if you are on TikTok or Instagram Reels. It's under the Video Effects tab. You've probably seen this viral sway dance trend everywhere. Usually creating this requires complex tracking software, but here it's literally a one-click template. I'm going to use this photo I have of a girl walking down a cobblestone street. I just upload it here, select the sway dance template, and click generate. The generation takes a little bit of time, but the result is honestly super clean. Look at this. The AI took a completely static image and animated the entire body to match the viral dance. What's actually impressive here is the background retention. The street and the buildings behind her aren't warping or melting into a weird soup, which is the most common issue with these AI dance templates. The physics on the skirt also look surprisingly natural. It's highly effective for quick social media content. Now, let's talk about the most important part, the pricing. If you use AI regularly, you know that paying $20 or $30 every single month for different platforms adds up incredibly fast. LitMedia has a standard monthly plan for about $15, but the real reason I wanted to showcase this platform today is their lifetime plan, right here in the middle. This is something you rarely see in the AI space anymore. Instead of renting your tools, you pay a one-time fee and get VIP access forever, with 2,000 credits refreshing every single month. It is by far the best value if you plan on generating videos long-term. Plus, the team at LitMedia gave me a special discount for you guys. Click the link in the description and use the promo code SOS20 at checkout to get 20% off. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.